Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Leonardo AI affiliate program. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an audience who might be interested in Leonardo AI. How do you actually sign up for their affiliate program so that you can start earning commissions when people sign up with your link? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're first going to log into Leonardo AI, and then once you're on this page, you want to scroll down to where it says affiliates on the left hand side. So click on affiliates. Now this new window is going to pop up where it says you'll receive a 25% commission on the first 6 months payments within the first 6 months for paying customers that you refer to Leonardo AI. So here you would just enter your first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password, and then sign up for Leonardo AI. It's that simple. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for Leonardo AI affiliate program. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. And good luck on your affiliate sales.